Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study calculus in college. First, ensure your foundational math skills are strong. Calculus builds heavily on algebra, trigonometry, and functions, so a solid understanding of these is crucial. Spend about 3 hours studying independently for every 1 hour you spend in class. This consistent effort will help you grasp new concepts and reinforce your learning effectively, setting you up for success from day one. Active learning is key to mastering calculus. Make sure to attend every lecture and engage with the material by asking questions when you're unsure. Don't just passively listen. Try to work through examples alongside your professor. After class, tackle every example problem from your textbook. Consistent daily practice, even for just 30 minutes, will significantly improve your problem-solving skills and deepen your understanding of complex topics. Don't hesitate to use all the resources available to you. Your professor's office hours are invaluable for getting personalized help and clarifying difficult concepts. Forming a study group with 2 or 3 classmates can also be incredibly beneficial. Discussing problems aloud often reveals new insights. Additionally, online platforms like Khan Academy offer excellent supplementary explanations and practice problems, providing another avenue for understanding. Finally, cultivating the right mindset is essential for long-term success. Approach calculus with a positive attitude, seeing challenges as opportunities to grow rather than obstacles. When faced with a difficult problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the process less daunting. Regularly review your past mistakes to understand where you went wrong, ensuring you learn from them and avoid repeating the same errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.